Hi, in this video I'm going to solve a few examples, like maybe one or two examples of these, the next ones you have to solve for Self and Khan Academy. So here again we're in the conic sections, we are in the circle section, but now we are in these kind of exercises which are the equation of a circle in non-factor form. Because the thing is, we have only been seeing so far example where we have a clean equation such as this one, and the thing is, that's not always the case. Sometimes you will find something like this, like the example, the one in the example over here on the right. And this one is not so neat, not so clean. So you have to do something you should be very familiar, you should remember it a bit, which is completing the square. So I'm going to do it here in this example, so you see how to do this, work this through. So I'm going to reorder this, would be x squared plus 2 times x. I'm going to jump directly to completing the square. I'm going to solve it in this way. We'll be going to place together the x's, this one and this one up front, and then picking up the y's, this one and this one, will be like this. The numbers, the constants, I'm going to place them on the right. We'll be switching the sign, will be -10. So now I'm going to do this completing the square. We have to basically pick this number, and we are going to, I'm going to do it down here, divide it by 2, and then square it. In this case, 2 over 2 will be 1, the square will be 1. So we have to place here a plus 1, this is very ugly, plus, there it is, a nicer one, plus 1, and then we add a plus 1 on the right. This way will be just the same as saying that we're adding a 0 here. So I'm going to do it now with the 10. We took the 10 here, and we're going to do the same. 10 over 2 is squared. There will be 5 squared. 5 squared, and then we go 25. So we're going to add here a 25. And again here, we're going to add 25 on the other side. Now, where do we get here? I'm going to continue down here. Now, these three guys here on the right, the x's, will be, now they are a perfect square. So these x squared plus 2 times x plus 1, they will turn into this, x plus 1 squared. Now, will be plus the y's, which the y's again will form in this case a perfect square as well. This would be y minus 5 squared, and on the right side we have to solve this out. It will be -10 plus 1 plus 25 would be 16, and with this we already got our equation in the standard form. And from here, I'm going to just let me frame this out. This is our standard form, and from here, getting the center of the equation and the radius, it's pretty easy. So in this case, the center, I'm going to use, let me see, what color can I use? This kind of purple. So the center in this case would be -1. We change the sign of this one, comma. In this case, this -5 will turn into a 5. It's the center. And then the radius is just basically square root of this one, which is going to be a 4. So we have to test this out. It's going to be here a -1, comma, +5, and then the radius is going to be a 4. So we check this out, and we see we are right, and that will be it with this example.